Hey there, YouTube viewers. Welcome back to my channel. Today we've got an exciting video for you. We'll be discussing the best portable washing machines of 2024. If you're living in a small apartment, dorm room, or just looking for a convenient laundry solution, you're in the right place. We've done the research, so you don't have to. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now, let's get started. Number 5. A portable folding washing machine with dryer bucket for clothes, socks, underwear, cleaning washer. Mini Small Travel Washing Machine is a small, lightweight washing machine that can be folded up for easy storage and transport. It is typically powered by electricity and has a capacity of around 2 to 3 kilograms of laundry. These washing machines work by using a combination of water and detergent to clean clothes. The water is heated to a set temperature and then circulated through the clothes. With the help of a rotating drum, the detergent helps to loosen and remove dirt and grime from the clothes. Once the washing cycle is complete, the clothes can be spun dry to remove excess water. The dryer bucket is typically attached to the washing machine and uses centrifugal force to spin the clothes dry. Portable folding washing machines are ideal for people who live in small spaces, such as apartments, dorms, or RVs. They are also convenient for people who travel frequently. Here are some of the benefits of using a portable folding washing machine. Portability. Portable folding washing machines are small and lightweight, making them easy to move and store. This is especially beneficial for people who live in small spaces or who travel frequently. Convenience. Portable folding washing machines are easy to use. Simply add water, detergent, and clothes to the washing machine and start the cycle. The dryer bucket can also be used to spin the clothes dry after washing. Affordability. Portable folding washing machines are relatively affordable, especially when compared to traditional washing machines. If you are looking for a convenient and affordable way to wash your clothes, a portable folding washing machine may be a good option for you. Number 4. An 8L foldable washing machine is a small, portable washing machine that is easy to fold up and store. It is ideal for people who live in small spaces, such as apartments, dorms, or RVs. It is also a good option for people who travel frequently. This type of washing machine typically has a capacity of 8 liters, which is enough to wash a small load of laundry, such as socks, underwear, and panties. It also has a spin dry function, which helps to remove excess water from the clothes. The foldable washing machine is very easy to use. Simply add water, detergent, and your clothes to the machine. Then, select the desired wash cycle and press start. The machine will do the rest. Once the wash cycle is complete, you can spin dry the clothes to remove excess water. Then, remove the clothes from the machine and hang them to dry. Here are some of the benefits of using an 8L foldable washing machine. It is small and portable, so it is easy to store and move around. It is energy efficient and uses less water than a traditional washing machine. It is gentle on clothes, so it is ideal for washing delicate items. It is easy to use and does not require any special installation. Here are some of the things to keep in mind when using an 8L foldable washing machine. The capacity is limited, so it is not suitable for washing large loads of laundry. It is important to overload the machine, as this can damage the motor. It is also important to clean the machine regularly to prevent the buildup of dirt and grime. Overall, an 8L foldable washing machine is a good option for people who need a small, portable, and energy-efficient washing machine. It is ideal for washing small loads of laundry, such as socks, underwear, and panties. Number 3. A folding washing machine with dryer bucket for clothes, portable underwear washer, ultrasonic cleaning socks. Auto Disinfect is a small, portable washing machine that can be folded up for easy storage. It has a built-in dryer bucket, so you can wash and dry your clothes in one device. The machine uses ultrasonic cleaning to gently remove dirt and stains from your clothes without damaging them. It also has an auto disinfect function to kill bacteria and other harmful germs. This type of washing machine is ideal for people who live in small spaces, such as apartments, dorm rooms, or RVs. It is also a good choice for people who travel frequently, as it is lightweight and easy to carry. Here are some of the benefits of using a folding washing machine with dryer bucket for clothes, portable underwear washer, ultrasonic cleaning socks, auto disinfect. It is compact and portable, making it ideal for small spaces and travel. It uses ultrasonic cleaning to gently remove dirt and stains from your clothes without damaging them. It has an auto-disinfect function to kill bacteria and other harmful germs. It is energy efficient and water-saving. It is relatively inexpensive to purchase. To use a folding washing machine with dryer bucket for clothes, portable underwear washer, ultrasonic cleaning socks, auto-disinfect, simply follow these steps. Fill the washing bucket with water and detergent. Add your clothes to the washing bucket. Set the desired wash cycle and timer. Turn on the washing machine. Once the wash cycle is complete, transfer your clothes to the dryer bucket. Set the desired dryer cycle and timer. Turn on the dryer. Once the dryer cycle is complete, remove your clothes from the dryer bucket. Please note that some folding washing machines with dryer bucket for clothes, portable underwear washer, ultrasonic cleaning socks, auto-disinfect, may have different features and operating instructions. Please consult your machine's owner's manual for more specific information. Number 2. The Comfy 1.6 feet portable washing machine is a fully automatic, compact washer with a capacity of 11 pounds. It has 6 wash programs, including heavy, soft, normal, rapid, and soak. It also has a child lock feature and wheels for easy portability. This washing machine is ideal for small spaces, such as apartments, dorms, and RVs. It is also a good option for people who need a portable washer for camping or other outdoor activities. Here are some of the pros and cons of the Comfy 1.6 feet portable washing machine. Pros: compact size and portability, fully automatic 6 wash programs, child lock feature, affordable price. Cons: smaller capacity than traditional washers, may not be able to handle large loads, noisy during operation. Overall, the Comfy 1.6 feet portable washing machine is a good option for people who need a compact and portable washer. It is affordable and has a variety of features, including 6 wash programs and a child lock. However, it is important to keep in mind that it has a smaller capacity than traditional washers and may not be able to handle large loads. Number 1. The Vivohome 110V 1500W Electric Compact Portable Clothes Laundry Dryer Machine for Apartment 3.5 Ft 13 pounds is a popular choice for those who need a portable and compact dryer. It is perfect for small spaces such as apartments, dorms, or offices. The dryer has a capacity of 13 pounds, which is enough for a typical load of laundry. It also has 4 drying modes: fast dry, delicate dry, air dry, and timer dry. This allows you to choose the best setting for your clothes. The dryer is also equipped with a number of safety features, including overheat protection and automatic shutoff. This makes it a safe and reliable option for drying your clothes. Here are some of the pros and cons of the Vivohome 110V 1500W Electric Compact Portable Clothes Laundry Dryer Machine for Apartment 3.5 Ft 13 pounds. Pros: compact and portable design, large capacity, 4 drying modes, safe and reliable. Cons: may not be suitable for large households, can be noisy, may not dry clothes as well as a traditional dryer. Overall, the Vivohome 110V 1500W Electric Compact Portable Clothes Laundry Dryer Machine for Apartment 3.5 Ft 13 pounds is a good option for those who need a portable and compact dryer. It is perfect for small spaces and has a number of features that make it safe and reliable. Here are some additional things to keep in mind if you are considering purchasing this dryer. It is important to note that this dryer is not as powerful as a traditional dryer. It may take longer to dry your clothes and may not dry them as completely. This dryer is also not as quiet as a traditional dryer. It can be quite noisy, especially when it is running on the fast dry setting. Finally, this dryer is not suitable for large households. It has a capacity of 13 pounds, which may not be enough for families with multiple members. If you are looking for a portable and compact dryer that is affordable and easy to use, the Vivohome 110V 1500W